Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the Cumbor 29.7 to 57-inch extra-wide baby gate, a Mom's Choice Awards winner designed for ultimate safety and convenience. This versatile gate, with its impressive 57-inch width and 30.5-inch height, is perfect for securing stairways, doorways, and hallways, ensuring your little ones and pets stay safe. Featuring a single-hand operation, the gate automatically closes behind you and locks at 90 degrees, offering easy access while keeping curious kids and pets at bay. Its pressure-mounted installation means no drilling or wall damage, making setup a breeze. Crafted from heavy-duty carbon steel, this gate is both lightweight and durable, capable of withstanding the energy of growing toddlers and lively dogs, with a lifespan of up to 10,000 uses per side. As a proud recipient of the Mom's Choice Award, Cumbor has drawn on decades of customer experience to create a safety gate that has become a beloved fixture in thousands of homes. Trust in Cumbor to provide the peace of mind you need for protecting your family and pets. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.